dear students, how are you all? I hope all you are keeping fine. I am Sukul Hemram. This video clip is part 3 of Computer Standard 3. Dear students, kindly open your book page number 42. Today we shall continue our learning from chapter 4, that is typing the text. Let us read the book and learn from it. Typing the text. For typing the text in a blank document, place the cursor in the position where you want to type. You can now start typing in the blank document. To start new line, press the enter key. At the end of the line, you do not need to press the enter key as the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Selecting the text. If you wish to make changes in your text, you have to select it first. When the text is selected, it gets highlighted in gray. The text can be selected by using the selection bar, which is the space between the left margin and the beginning of the line to be selected. In order to select a word or sentence, follow these steps given below. Step 1. Place the cursor at the left of the word or the sentence to be selected. Step 2. You can either use the mouse or keyboard or both to make the selection. Step 3. When the text is selected, it becomes highlighted in gray. Dear students, typing the text. How we can type the text in Word documents. For typing the text in blank document, place the cursor in the position where you want to type. Then start typing in the blank document. To start a new line, press the enter key on the keyboard, and at the end of the line you do not press the enter key as the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Then selecting the text. How we can select the text? To select the text, we can use the selection bar or we can use the mouse. And which text is selected, it gets highlighted in gray color. And the space between the left margin and the beginning of the line to be selected. In order to select a word or sentence, we have to follow 3 steps, and these 3 steps are: step 1 is place the cursor at the left of the word or the sentence, which one to be selected. And step 2 is you can use either the mouse or keyboard or both to the selection. And step 3 is when the text is selected, it becomes highlighted in gray color. Selecting the text with mouse. When you drag the mouse over any part of the text, it will get selected. Given in the following table are some mouse actions for various kinds of text selection. To select mouse action, a word, double click anywhere on the word. A line, click the selection bar to the left of the line of text. A paragraph, double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Entire document, triple click anywhere on the selection bar. Dear students, by using the mouse we can select the word, line, paragraph or whole documents. In this table, left side is given the to select part of the text and right side is given mouse action and how to use the mouse to select the word, line, paragraph and documents. To select a word, you have to double click anywhere on the word, and when you want to select a line, one line, you have to click the selection bar to the left of the line of text, and when you want to select a paragraph, on that time you have to double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere on that paragraph, and when you want to select whole documents, means to enter documents, on that time you have to triple click anywhere on the selection bar. Selecting the text with keyboard, bring the cursor to the left of the first character from where the selection is to be made. You can use the following key combinations for selection. To select, press one character to the right of the cursor, Shift plus right arrow key. One character to the left of the cursor, Shift plus left arrow key. One line up, Shift plus up arrow key. One line down, Shift plus down arrow key. Till the beginning of the line, Shift plus home key. Till the end of the line, Shift plus end key. To the beginning of the document, Shift plus Control plus home key. To the end of the document, Shift plus Control plus end key. Entire document, Control plus A. Dear students, by using the keyboard also we can select the text. Suppose we want to select a character of the text and cursor is right of the character, then we have to press the Shift plus right arrow key, and when cursor is left of the one character, then Shift plus left arrow key, and we want to select one line up, then Shift plus up arrow key, and one line down, Shift plus down arrow key, and when we want to select till beginning of the line, then Shift plus home key, and if we want to select the line till the end of the line, then shift plus end key, and to select beginning of the document, then control plus shift plus home key, and when we want to select to the end of the document, shift plus control plus end key, and when we want to select entire document, then control plus A. Selecting the text with mouse and keyboard. You can also select the text using mouse and keyboard together. Look at the following table to learn the combinations. To select, press a sentence, hold down the shift key and then click anywhere in the sentence. Multiple lines of text. Click where the selection is to beginning from, then hold down the shift key and click where you would want the selection to end. Dear students, also we can select the text using mouse and keyboard together, or by using the combination of mouse and keyboard. To select a sentence, we have to press shift key on the keyboard and then click anywhere in the sentence. And when we want to select more line of text, click where the selection is to beginning, then hold down the shift key on the keyboard and click where you would want the selection to end. Page number 44. Deleting text. Deleting a character. Place the cursor to the left of the text to be deleted and press the delete key. Dear students, if we want to delete a character by using the delete key on the keyboard, we have to place the cursor left of the text which is to be deleted. Deleting a word. Select the word to be deleted and press delete key. Dear students, there is another way to delete a word. How to delete a word? So, what is that another way? To delete a word, first we have to select the word which is to be deleted and press the delete key on the keyboard. Deleting a sentence. Select the sentence to be deleted. Press delete key. Dear students, when we want to delete a sentence from the text, on that time we have to select first the sentence, which sentence is to be deleted. After that, you should press the delete key on the keyboard and the selected sentence will be deleted. Changing font size and font color. You can make your text appealing by changing its color, size and style. This process is known as formatting the text. These changes can be made in Word 2013 by using the font group. The font group is present in the Home tab with various commands to change the font size, style and color. You have the option to select the text and make the changes or type the new text individually with these changes. Dear students, Word 2013 provides us many objects to change the font, size and its color, and this process is known as formatting the text. And in Word 2013, by using the font group, we can change the font size and style, and the font group is present in the Home tab, and there is various commands to change the font size, style and color. We have the option to select the text and make the changes, or we can type the new text individually with these changes. Changing the font. We can change the font in order to change the overall style of the text. To change the font style, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Select the text for which you want to set a new font. Page number 46. Step 2. Click on the drop down menu arrow of the font type box in the font group. Step 3. Select the font style that you wish to apply to your text. Let us know how to change the font style. To change the font style, we have to follow 3 steps, and these 3 steps are: step 1 is select the text which one you want to change. Then step 2 is click on the drop down menu arrow of the font type box in the font group. Then step 3, select the font style which one you liking. Changing the font size. Changing the font size means to change the size of the text. To change the size of the typed text, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the drop down menu arrow of the font size box in the font group. Step 3. Select the font size for your text from the list that appears. Dear students, changing the font size means to change the size of the text. To change the size of the text or type text, you have to follow the 3 steps, and these are: step 1. Select the text, which one you want to change its size. Then step 2 is click on the drop down menu arrow of font size box, and this font size box or font size is in the font group. And step 3 is select the font size from the list that appears, and your text will be changed, or its font size will be changed. Changing the font color. Changing the font color means to change the color of the text. To make the text more appealing, you can change the color of the text by following the steps given here. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the drop down menu arrow of the font color button in the font group. Then step 3. Select the color of your choice from the text. Dear students, to make the text more attractive and more appealing, then we have to change the font color, and changing the font color means to change the color of the text, and to make the text more appealing, or to make look more attractive. And we can change the font color by 3 steps, and these steps are: step 1 is select the text, which one you want to change, and step 2 is click on the drop down menu arrow of the font color button, and it is in the font group. And step 3 is select the color of your choice for the text, and after selecting the color, the text color will be changed. Bold, italic, and underline. Bold. You can highlight the headings and subheadings of your document by making them bold. The selected text becomes darker than the normal text. To make the text bold, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text to be made bold. Step 2. Click on the symbol B in the font group. The text will become dark and bold. Dear students, bold. Bold is to make the text or word highlighted, and normally the text headings and subheadings to be made bold. The selected text becomes darker and then darker than the normal text. And to make the text bold, we have to follow the 2 steps, and these 2 steps are: first step is select the text, which one you want to make the bold, and second step is click on the symbol B from the font group. Then the selected text will become dark and bold, and the shortcut key of the bold is Ctrl+B. Italic. To highlight a particular word or a line, you can make it italic. The italic word looks slanted as compared to the entire text. To make the text italic, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Select the word or the text which you want in italic. Step 2. Click on the symbol I in the font group. The text will become slanted in italic. Underline. You can underline the text for emphasizing it. To underline the text, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Select the text that you want to underline. Page number 48. Step 2. Click on the symbol U in the font group. The selected text will become underlined. Dear students, italic. Italic word looks slanted as compared to the entire text, and to highlight a particular word or a line, you can make it italic. And to make the text italic, we have to follow 2 steps, and these 2 steps are: first, select the word or the text which one you want to make italic, and step 2, click on the symbol I in the font group, and the selected text will become slanted in italic, and shortcut key of the italic is Ctrl plus I. Next, underline. To underline the text, the line becomes emphasis or emphasizing, and to make the underline we have to follow two steps, and these two steps are: step 1 is select the text that you want to underline, and step 2 is click on the symbol U in the font group, and the selected text will become underlined. Dear student, you can see in this screenshot there are given 4 types of paragraph, and upper paragraph is normal text, then second paragraph is bold text, and third paragraph is italicized or italic text, and fourth paragraph is the underlined text.